Everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are here to discuss regarding personality disorders. The term personality refers to enduring qualities of an individual that are shown in his ways of behaving in a wide variety of circumstances. Personality disorders results when personality traits become abnormal. Etiology, genetic factors, monozygotic twins than dizygotic twins, biological factors, hormones, platelet monoamine oxidase, smooth pursuit eye movement, neurotransmitters, electrophysiology, and also related with some psychoanalytical factors. Types. First one is paranoid personality disorder. It is characterized by long-standing suspiciousness and mistrust of person. They refuse responsibility for their own feelings and assign responsibility to others. They are often hostile, irritable, and angry. Bigot, injustice collectors, pathologically jealous spouse, and litigious cranks. Second type is schizoid personality disorder. It is characterized by a lifelong pattern of social withdrawal. Persons with this disorder are often seen by others as eccentric, isolated, or lonely, cold and aloof, and some of them are self absorbed. Third one, schizotypal personality disorder. Characteristic features strikingly odd or strange characters, even to love persons. Magical thinking, peculiar notions, ideas of reference, illusions and derealization, etc. are the features. Fourth one is antisocial personality disorder. It is an inability to conform to the social norms that ordinarily govern many aspects of a person's adolescence and adult behavior, characterized by continual antisocial or criminal acts. Fifth one is borderline personality disorder. Clients with this disorder stand on the border between neurosis and psychosis. It is characterized by extraordinarily unstable affect and mood, object relations, and self-image. It is also known as emotionally unstable personality disorder. And the sixth one, histrionic personality disorder. The client with this disorder are excitable and emotional. They behave in a colorful, dramatic, extroverted fashion. Flamboyant nature. Inability to maintain deep and long-lasting attachment. Seventh one, narcissistic personality disorder. It is characterized by heightened sense of self-importance, lack of empathy, and grandiose feelings of uniqueness. They have fragile self-esteem. They are very vulnerable to even minor criticism. Eighth one is avoidant personality disorder. It shows extreme sensitivity to rejection and may lead socially withdrawn lives. They may be shy, not asocial, show a great desire for companionship. Inferiority complex is the characteristic feature. Ninth one is dependent personality disorder. They subordinate their own needs to those of others. They get others to assume responsibility for major areas of their lives. Lack of self-confidence. They may experience intense discomfort when alone for more than a brief period. It is also known as passive dependent personality disorder. And the 10th one is obsessive compulsive personality disorders. It is characterized by emotional constriction, orderliness, perseverance, stubbornness, indecisiveness, and the essential features are perfectionism and inflexibility. 11th one is other specified personality disorders. It includes passive aggressive personality, depressive personality, sadomasochist personality, sadistic personality. The treatment options are individual and group psychotherapy, therapeutic community, behavioral therapy, manipulation of social environment, and the pharmacotherapy include anti-anxiety drugs, antipsychotics, antidepressants, psychostimulants, and monoamine oxidase inhibitors. Thank you.